Hey, what's up, buddy? So we were here, and I was looking for this since morning. Actually, I had some articles and I have to post them on several groups, so I thought that we can do it together. After all, you're family member, and if you're not a family member, then click on the subscribe button and be a part of this family. We are happy to see you as a part of this family. So you are welcome. Okay, whatever, no problem. As I had not found you, so I just made a Python script to help me. And if you also want to know how to make that Python script to automatically post on any Facebook groups you joined, then come with me. One side note for your security that there is a lot of websites and apps that claim that they can do this for you. But believe me, most of them are fake and does not work because I had tried a lot of these services and most of them are fake. So just stay away from these services. And there is also some paid services that you can use, but the limitation of this paid services is that it's allow you to post on that group that is owned by you. That means if you are an admin of a group, only then you can post on that group with these services. So this is a problem with this service. And one vital question that do you really trust these services with your Facebook? That's a serious question. So after facing a lot of this problem, I just decided to make my own Python script, and you don't need to be a group admin to use this script. So just use it. In my previous video, I had shown you the environment setup to run this script. And if you had not watched the previous video, then I strongly recommend you to watch that video because otherwise that you can face a lot of problem. So just watch that video and then watch this video. It will help you a lot. Because in this video, I am not going to show you the environment setup again. We will directly jump to the script ready. So watch that video for environment setup. And one more thing, that don't use this script to spam or harm anyone. This is fully educational purpose. So you are ready? Okay, let's start. The first thing you have to do is to collect the group IDs where you want to post. To do this, open your Facebook account, then go to your groups and open any group you want. Then on the address bar, you can see a number at the end, and that is the ID of a group. So copy the ID and paste it in any code editor. Okay, now I'm going to collect 3 group ID like this. Now all of our group ID is collected and we can proceed to our next step. And the next step is to write our script. Now open your code editor and follow with me. To make the script, you need 2 modules. One is PyAutoGUI and another is time. You have to install PyAutoGUI with pip. If you don't know how to install these with pip, then watch the previous video. Now I am going to create an array of the collected group IDs. Just copy and paste the group IDs from the text editor and our array is ready. Okay, the main script starts from here, so watch it very carefully. The script starts with a pause of 5 seconds. That will give us the time to open our browser. After opening the browser, we want the script to open a new tab. To do this with our script, we have to press Ctrl plus T, and this can be performed by the key down and key up functions. After opening the new tab, we have to type the group URL into the address bar. And for each group, we need different URL. So we are going to create a for loop to do this for our each group. Now create the link of the group, and at the end of this URL, we are going to change the group ID on every loop so that we can post on each of these group. Okay, now the link is created and now we have to write it on the address bar. To do this, use the type write function. After writing the URL, press enter. After pressing enter, this will open the group. This can take some time, depends on your internet speed. So we have to pause our script for some time to ensure that the page is loaded successfully. I am going to pause the script for 45 seconds, but you can use whatever you want. Okay, then on the discussion page of the group, if you press P, then it will open the pop-up of new post. So now we are going to press P with our type write function. After pressing P, give it some time to load the pop-up properly. Then write your post with type write function, and after that give a little pause again to load the cards. Now if you press the Ctrl plus enter, then your article will be posted. So let's do this with our script. After you click on post, wait some time and your article will be posted successfully. And after posting one post, we are going to change the URL with the next group URL, and we are going to do this all stuffs again. So we are going to press F6 at the end of this loop to focus the URL and give a little pause after that. Okay, now this loop is going to post your article on your listed groups one by one.
Okay, our script is complete now and it's time to run it. To run the script, just type Python 3 space your script name. For Windows, it's just Python. So you can see here that it's posting our article on the listed groups one by one. If you want to download my script, then the download link of the script is in the description. You can check it out here.
Hey, wait. Let the script do its work and let's play some truth game. Have you ever met a person on Facebook and right now he or she is in a call? Let me know in the comments. Okay, if you find this video helpful, then like and share this video so that we can grow our Astronaut family. And we will meet on next video. Until then, keep messing up with me. Good night.
तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और एक वादा है।